Good morning, folks. So today's just going to be a long drive north to Braga. Going to try and get to Braga today, explore Braga this afternoon, and then I can head to a national park just on the edge of the border tomorrow. It's kind of hit home now. Let me just shut this door because of the road noise. It's kind of hit home now. I've got about 10 days left, and I looked on Google last night. I'm still a 24-hour drive from home, from Calais, sorry. So, you know, I've got our average 2.5 hours a day of driving. So I'm just about to leave my campsite, and I thought I'd show you quickly. I've got a few clothes to dry. So that's the current situation. The back of the van just ran the washing line there, drying some clothes off. But yeah, gonna hit the road now. I've got about a 4-hour drive, I think, to Braga. That's my plan. It's about 10 o'clock, so I should get there just after lunch. Explore that this evening / this afternoon, and then head into the national park, or close to the national park. What's it called? Something Neres? I can't remember. For this evening. So yeah, let's go. From where I am, near the town of Liria, I'll put the name on the screen, can't really pronounce it. I want to go to Braga, and it's 4 hours without tolls, but 2 hours with tolls, so I'm taking the toll road. I've just arrived in the city of Braga. Gonna go and get some food. Absolutely starving. So food has been consumed, and I've walked into what looks like some kind of army fair, military show thing.
I just wanna dance and dance till I'm numb and I'm done and I'm ready to the ground. Can you feel it now? When we're dancing to the stars, I just wanna be someone you remember. A star glowing like the sun. Can't you see my heart is soaring tender? And I just wanna dance and dance till I'm numb and I'm done. Now the rattling has just begun. Can you feel it now? When we're dancing to the stars, can you feel it now? When we're dancing to the stars, I just wanna be someone you remember.
I'm heading now to my campsite for the evening, which is near the Peneda-Gerês National Park, or Natural Park, and it's right on the border of Portugal and Spain, right at the top of Portugal, and there's loads of waterfalls, mountains, so really excited to see those. Going to go and have a look at those tomorrow. It's about an hour's drive. I'm expecting it to be a pretty good drive as well, and I've read on the reviews that there's a waterfall about a 40-minute hike away from the actual campsite. So yeah, going to head there now. It's about 4:40, so I should get there just before 6 hopefully, and then relax this evening, and then big explorations tomorrow. I've just pulled over because it is absolutely mega here. It's so good. Look at that. Fresh spring over there. There's this big snaking river through and as well. And I think I'm going to be crossing that soon, so that'll be wicked. Oh, that ain't a bad view, is it? That is unbelievable. It's like the Amazon rainforest. The river. I just couldn't resist getting on the top of my van for this view. So I'm at my campsite now. I've got here a couple of hours ago. I've had a run. Pretty interesting run. It's a really hilly place, so it's pretty much up down, and right at the start there was like every house I ran past, a dog would bark and run along the fence, and then the next dog would bark for a few minutes, which was quite funny, and then right at the end a dog started following me as well. I'll put a video in of the dog. Really nice friendly dog though. Now I'm just going to cook some food. I haven't got a lot in. I should have gone shopping before I came here because this is a bit remote, this campsite, but the national park here is so stunning. I'm really looking forward to exploring it tomorrow. So yeah, just doing I call it a Moroccan bean, but it's basically just tomatoes, beans, lentils in a little stew, just all mixed up with some Moroccan seasoning. But yeah, so that should fill me up because I'm absolutely starving, and then I'll have some of that for tomorrow as well. It's basically just been raining all morning. It's about 11 o'clock now. I've decided what I'm going to do is stay at this campsite again tonight because it's in a really good location for this natural park. I'm going to do YouTube stuff and then add mini bits on my laptop today and just chill out. And then tomorrow the weather's meant to be really good, so tomorrow I'll hit the big waterfalls.